Hi, my name is Raghuram Krishnan. I am the CFO and Senior Director, Adobe India in Finance. It's been an eye-opener for me, and we're from a surface level knowledge on AI for finance professionals to getting into the crux of what's behind it, what makes it work, and what are the challenges that come around it. I think it's given us 2 clicks beyond what we knew prior to coming into this. Significantly, I would say it's given me much more depth than what I knew, and like I said earlier, surface level to getting to understand what's the solutions behind it, what's the products, what works, doesn't work, and it allows me to understand my decision making on AI tools much better. And also it kind of opens you to have much more wider conversations in and outside of finance functions on the AI tool itself. So I think Atria has done a fabulous job of putting it together. I would have loved another day of getting immersed. It's you kind of catching up with that thing, and I would have loved a day or 2 more. So the question has always been where to do it, what's more important for us to invest in. While that is still going to be a certain amount of challenge, but we get a sense of what could work for us. That was not known before this session. We would have gone all over the place and figured out what is important for business or revenue driven or whatever it is. But I think it also gives us where data needs to be used. What's the extent of data that you have in order for you to implement an AI solution? We would have probably gone to spaces where data was limited or it was very narrow. It may not have given the desired results. And I'm sure somebody would have advised us, but then as a CFO, it gives me that much more thinking capability that I don't walk into a room dumbstruck, but I'm a lot more smarter than before coming here. So I got to know about Atria only when this session was opened up, and I'm happy that we are the first cohort of CXOs to be doing this session. I am amazed with the technology that is being imparted here in this part of the university. In fact, we've been talking about how do we get more engaged. And like I said, I would have loved 2 more days, and maybe we can do more together. And I think Dr. Praphul Chandra has been a phenomenal professor to us. I think his combination of industry experience and being an academic, that combination is extraordinarily good. I've been in AI sessions before, but it's been very theoretical and very academic for me. Very difficult to absorb, but my absorption here is much more stronger than I've done before. So I think that also matters, who is imparting this to a set of people like us. Thank you.